Part 11, Symmetry. You will find this on page 224 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Symmetry. Identify symmetrical figures and draw lines of symmetry. A rectangle and an isosceles triangle are examples of symmetrical figures. The dotted line in each figure, that dotted line, is the line of symmetry. If you fold the figure along the line of symmetry, along that dotted line, the two parts in each figure fit exactly. This part fit on this part fit on this part. Therefore, the figures is divided into equal halves by the line of symmetry. This is how it will look if it's folded. Okay, now let's look at example 13. Which of the following are symmetrical figures? If it's a symmetrical figure, draw the lines of symmetry. Now, this is not the isosceles triangle, so it cannot fold. So this is not a symmetrical figure. This is a square, it's a symmetrical figure. This is an hexagon, it's a symmetrical figure. And this, because this side is not as long as that side, it's not. So this is the only two symmetrical figures. Now, let's find the lines of symmetry. Now, a square, you can fold there and you can fold there. But you can also fold it on the corners, on that diagonal. Then it will also fit. So it's having 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry. And this hexagon, it's a regular hexagon. Along all the angles, all the vertices, you can fold it. And there's 6 vertices. So this hexagon, regular hexagon, will have 6 lines of symmetry. Okay. I want you to stop the video and try now 13. Do number A and B. And as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video and see if you are correct. Okay. Now, try now 13. Which of the following are symmetrical figures? Now it looks like because that side is equal, this is a symmetrical and this is a symmetrical figure. If it's a symmetrical figure, draw the lines of symmetry. Now I think just to not redraw it, I'm going to do it here. So if you look here, and let's just find that line. I'm just going to work with red. So if I fold it exactly here, I'm just going to redo it. There's the line. So this figure will have one line of symmetry. So just write one line. Oh, it's just struggling to write. One line of symmetry. Oh, I know why. It will have one line. Okay, let's just redo that. So this will just have one line of symmetry. And if you look at this one, now look, count the sides. It's a regular figure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to have 7 lines of symmetry. So let's just draw it also. It's going to be in all the angles, all the vertices. Maybe I'm going to struggle a little bit without a ruler. I'm just drawing it more or less. With a ruler, it will definitely be more accurate. It will be on this angle, it will be on this one, and it will be on this one, and it will be on this one, and it will be on this one. So they will be on all the angles, so there will be 7 lines of symmetry. You can just draw it with a ruler and make your use of broken lines. Okay, let's look at the next example. Example 14. Which of the following letters are symmetrical figures? If it's a symmetrical figure, draw the lines of symmetry. So definitely look at A. Can you see? I can draw a line there in the middle, so it's a symmetrical figure. Q, due to that line, no. E, look, if I fold it there, you can see it's a symmetrical figure. P, no. So it's only A and E, and it's only having one line of symmetry. Okay, now stop again the video and try now 14, number A and B. And then continue with the video as soon as you are finished. So let's look at try now 14. Okay. Again, I'm going to draw it on this, so to make it a little bit easier. So let's just start. Which of the following figures are symmetrical? So definitely H. And what? Okay, let's first mark it, and then we draw the lines of symmetry. So it's going to be H. It's going to be I, the second one, I, and it's going to be K, and it's going to be M, and it's going to be O. That's the symmetrical figures. And if I must draw that lines of symmetry, H will only have one there. No, it's having two. Okay, let's just redo. It can also be folded there. So it will have two lines of symmetry. The same with I. It's exactly there in the middle, but also exactly there in the middle. Also two lines of symmetry. So this is two lines of symmetry. Now it's not going to write. I will write it at the end. K is just having one line of symmetry. L not. M will also just have one line of symmetry. And look, here is infinite lines of symmetry. Okay, so let's just write it there. So this was having two lines of symmetry, two lines of symmetry, one line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, and this was infinite lines of symmetry. Okay, and that's all the lines of symmetry.